Hello, Mike. How are you doing?
I'm great, thanks, Tom. How are you?
I'm doing quite well, thank you.
Super.
Okay, I see that our dispatch board is taking form. We've had this maybe for a few weeks, and we've got a technician that's arrived on job reference number 7. Let's say that they've finished their work. How do they update the status, to showing that it's been completed or finalized or whatever the term would be?
Sure. Okay, Tom. No problem at all. It starts in the same way as anything that we want to do when we're working on a particular call. We see that in this call number 7, the person has arrived. So let's say we take a call, and that the engineer turns around and says, "Yep, I'm done with Frank Borum. I'm ready to close this."
So you
Um,
clicked on that, you clicked on that reference number 7 to get the
o-
screen to come up?
on reference number 7, that
Okay,
opens
all
this
right, all
screen.
right,
Yeah.
good enough.
Sure. Okay. And it also opens it up in another little window for you so as you
Okay,
can toggle between that and the dispatch board.
all right.
So on here, we've got all the information we took originally, as in, who the customer is. We've got the job details. We've got when the job was scheduled for. And if you look here, we've got a job status, which at the moment is arrived. If I could click on the down arrow next to that, I've got a whole range of different statuses that the call could then be in. What we're saying at this point is that it's closed. So if I click on the closed and then remember to click on the submit button, that will now show that this call is closed.
So closed is your terminology for finished, complete, job is done.
Yes, yes, exactly. And if I go back to the dispatch board now and refresh the dispatch board, that will now come up, and job number 7 has disappeared because when a job's closed, it goes into the archive.
Thank you, Mike.
You're welcome, Tom.